Imagine a place where every second, thousands of living creatures move through a sea of endless green, where mighty rivers flow for thousands of kilometers, and where 1 out of every 10 known species on Earth calls home. Welcome to the Amazon rainforest, the largest tropical rainforest on our planet, and one of nature's greatest masterpieces. Often referred to as the lungs of the Earth, the Amazon plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of our planet. While this nickname is not scientifically exact, there is no doubt that this extraordinary forest is one of Earth's most important natural systems. It stores enormous amounts of carbon, regulates climate, supports millions of species, and provides a home to countless indigenous communities. But despite its incredible importance, the Amazon is disappearing at an alarming rate. Today, we are going to explore this magnificent rainforest, uncover its breathtaking biodiversity, discover the world's largest river system, understand why it is so important for our planet, learn about the threats it faces, and finally ask ourselves one important question: what will happen if we fail to protect it? The Amazon rainforest covers approximately 6.7 million square kilometers, making it the largest tropical rainforest in the world. Nearly 60% of the forest lies within Brazil, while the remaining part extends across Peru, Colombia, Bolivia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Guyana, Suriname, and the overseas territory of French Guiana. Together, these regions form one of the richest ecosystems ever known. The Amazon basin itself covers nearly 7 million square kilometers, making it one of the largest river basins on Earth. Flowing through the heart of this incredible forest is the legendary Amazon River. Stretching for approximately 18 cubic kilometers, it is either the longest or the second longest river in the world, depending on the method of measurement. However, one fact is undisputed. It is the largest river on Earth by the volume of water it carries. Every second, nearly 10 cubic meters of fresh water flow from the Amazon River into the Atlantic Ocean. This single river contributes almost 20% of all the fresh water entering the world's oceans. The Amazon River has more than 1,100 tributaries, including famous rivers such as the Negro, Madeira, Tapajós, Xingu, and Purus. Together, they create a vast network that serves as the lifeline of the rainforest, supporting wildlife, forests, and millions of people. The Amazon is truly the kingdom of life. Scientists estimate that the rainforest contains nearly 390 billion individual trees, belonging to more than 1,000,000 different tree species. It is also home to approximately 40,000 plant species, 3,000 species of freshwater fish, more than 1,300 bird species, around 430 mammal species, over 10 reptile species, more than 400 amphibian species, and millions of insect species, many of which have not even been discovered yet. Experts believe that nearly 10% of all known species on Earth live within the Amazon rainforest. Among its most famous residents are the majestic jaguar, the powerful harpy eagle, the enormous green anaconda, the rare pink river dolphin, colorful macaws, playful giant otters, slow-moving sloths, giant capybaras, poison dart frogs, and countless butterflies, whose vibrant colors brighten the forest every day. What makes the Amazon even more fascinating is that scientists continue discovering hundreds of new species every year, proving that much of this extraordinary rainforest remains unexplored. But the Amazon is much more than just a home for wildlife. It is one of Earth's greatest climate regulators. Its billions of trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and store an estimated 150 to 200 billion tons of carbon within their trunks, branches, roots, and soil. This massive carbon storage helps slow down global climate change and keeps our planet's temperature more stable. Although the Amazon produces enormous amounts of oxygen through photosynthesis, most of that oxygen is naturally consumed within the forest itself by living organisms and decomposition. Its greatest contribution to the world is not oxygen production, but its incredible ability to store carbon and regulate global climate. The rainforest also acts as a giant water pump. Every day, billions of trees release huge amounts of water vapor into the atmosphere through a process called transpiration. These invisible streams of moisture, often called flying rivers, help produce rainfall across much of South America, supporting agriculture and freshwater supplies far beyond the rainforest itself. The Amazon is also home to more than 30 million people, including around 350 indigenous communities whose cultures, traditions, and knowledge have helped protect these forests for thousands of years. Many plants found in the Amazon possess valuable medicinal properties, and several modern medicines have originated from compounds first discovered in rainforest plants. Sadly, despite all these wonders, the Amazon faces one of the greatest environmental crises in human history. The biggest threat is deforestation. According to Brazil's National Institute for Space Research, approximately 13,000 square kilometers of Amazon rainforest were destroyed between August 2020 and July 2021, marking one of the highest deforestation rates in over 15 years. Although recent years have shown some improvement, forest destruction continues every year. The largest cause of deforestation is cattle ranching, which is responsible for clearing vast areas of forest. Other major causes include soybean farming, illegal logging, gold mining, road construction, infrastructure development, and human-caused forest fires. Climate change is making the situation even worse. Longer droughts, rising temperatures, and increasingly frequent wildfires are placing enormous pressure on the rainforest. Scientists warn that if approximately 20 to 25% of the Amazon is destroyed, the forest could reach a dangerous tipping point where large sections transform into dry grasslands instead of lush rainforests. Alarmingly, around 17% of the original Amazon has already been cleared. Such a transformation would threaten millions of species with extinction, reduce rainfall across South America, release vast amounts of stored carbon into the atmosphere, accelerate global warming, and affect weather patterns around the world. The Amazon is not just South America's treasure. It is humanity's treasure. Every tree that is cut down, every species that disappears, and every hectare of forest that is destroyed weakens one of the most important ecosystems on our planet. Protecting the Amazon means protecting biodiversity, preserving indigenous cultures, safeguarding freshwater resources, stabilizing our climate, and securing a healthier future for generations to come. The responsibility does not belong only to governments or environmental organizations. It belongs to every one of us, because once this magnificent ecosystem reaches its tipping point, reversing the damage may no longer be possible. The future of the Amazon is, in many ways, the future of humanity itself. If we fail to act today, tomorrow's generations may inherit a world with fewer forests, fewer animals, harsher climates, and irreversible environmental disasters. The choice is ours, and the time to act is now. If you enjoyed this documentary and learned something new today, please give this video a like. If you have any questions, thoughts, or suggestions, let us know in the comments section. We would love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to Info and Techniques so you never miss more fascinating documentaries and informative videos from around the world. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring our incredible planet.